But sometimes I look up into the stars, right? Got me thinking maybe my life would have went a different way if I would have took a different route. Yeah. Shit been making it hurt, but to be honest, really I don't think about that shit no more. I really got to let all of that shit go. Look, as if you try to sit and try to dread on it, that shit'll take you down day by day, you heard me, homie. Look, you got to move forward, dawg. You got to let this shit get the past, cause for the God, you got to look forward. You got to stand tall and face the wall. You got to really ball. Nigga, think about y'all, them might talk. Them times when you almost felt shit, all the times when you came around and laughed. Now the laughs is gone, that shit done passed. And now you sitting here singing real sad. But who am I really to have to judge? I'm just trying to do this shit, trying to keep you pushed. Look, cause I've been through it, been there, y'all. Look, I'm down myself, but I'm just trying to kick all these blows. Why? Cause they make me feel better. And nothing else, I swear to God, they won't let me come back to where I need to be. Yeah, my mind gone, right now screws loose, I got to be. I got to see, got to see a different type of route, got to see a different way, got to show them how I'm about to just lose my shit. I'm finna come through, nigga, it will be it. I'ma cock this bitch back and let it rip, and I'ma take out any motherfucker holding the rip. Fuck that, need no hope with the shit. Nigga, fucking slip dick, look, I've been on this shit, been with this shit, been with the lead. These niggas ain't talking no shit, fuck what you talking about. Sick dick, I come through, I have to admit. Yeah, I fucked up, I lost my shit, I swear to God when I hit. Yes, it was this type of shit that made me miss all my kids. Shit, I do this shit for them and all my vision. Dog, I really do not see him, yes, I'm missing. I'm trying to come up on something. Look, I'm on the straight rap, and I'm not free. I think, look, I got to get away, cause niggas don't believe. Look, some niggas lost himself, and now I'm trying to get back. The dope and took a nigga under, now I'm trying to bounce out of that. Look, but I see, real fucked up, I bring the look back up, I gotta be. But really, I don't need no help, but maybe I must too. Let me try to save myself, dear Lord. Look, I'm sitting, you just pray, you try to go. Look, I think I need the help, yes, of course. Look, I had to come up out of this grudge. Please help me, please don't hold a grudge. Yeah, I know I did wrong in my life. Now I'm trying to turn it back, make it right. Now tell me, please, what it is I gotta do. Lord, please tell me I'm lost, I can't take it no more. I can left or right, I can't take it no more. Trying to get myself tonight. I spite the fact these niggas know that they don't take flight. Wish it jump off slick, nigga, right here, that's right. Look, I don't want, never will, never have. I don't give a fuck, nigga. You gon' have to kill this man. But it's just me. I hold my own 10 toes down. I'm on a straight up shit. I'm a gangsta hood project, nigga. I came from nothing. I swear to God, I'll get you. I come